Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you all have been requesting, I have finally made a quick follow along video for you to achieve this classic, sleek, low ponytail. And when I tell you, nobody can tell me nothing, sis. She is too bad, spicy with an attitude. Oh, more top notch, babe. As in, can't tell me nothing. Let's get it. Alright guys, so we're going to start by unwrapping our hair with the bobby pins and everything from last night's sleep. Then I'm going to go in by combing my hair through, get all the knots out. Here we're going to go in with the straightener, make sure every hair is straightened so you can get that really nice, sleek, classic look. You're going to want to make sure that you get every single hair follicle down and straight scale. You don't want to leave anything living out. We don't leave any live outs here. Alright, so here I decided to use another comb because I realized that it gets and grips all my hair the way that I needed it to look. So as you can see, I'm just perfecting it here and we're gonna get right to it, girls. So we're gonna start off by using this Motions foam wrap to get that really nice, clean look for the baby hairs. I'm really big on making sure that my baby hairs look, you know, adult, grown, you know what I'm saying? I do not want to look like a child. We not in high school no more, baby. So I made sure that it looked really classy and it went with the vibe of the hair. So you catch my grift. You get me? Perfect. So now that we have that all settled in, we're going to go in with this Got To Be Glued freeze spray to make sure we really hold those edges down, girl, because this is the most important part of the look, okay? Make sure they are glued and secured with that wrap, honey. Now I'm just going in and making sure I'm securing the back with the bobby pins. That was Ibichi interrupting my video, but you know, we move. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and braid the back of my hair. It does not have to be the perfect braid, guys, but make sure that it looks like a braid so that at least whenever you're going in to wrap the hair around, it gets a good grip on the hair you got back there. Now, if you don't have hair, you can always use extensions, but it works. Ooh, looks like we're ready to go. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and use the bundle of hair that I had used as my clip-ins for my 30-inch pony, and this was literally the best decision ever because it made it so easy to go ahead and wrap the hair. And that at every almost like 6-inch mark, I went ahead and put a clip, and that was to help hold the bundle in place as I wrapped it around my head. As you can see, it's honestly like a really easy step, and it's literally so neat, so perfect. Almost looks professional without having to go to a salon. You'll see. So here I'm just bringing out about 1 inch of hair that I'm gonna use to go ahead and wrap around that top part to give it that really sleek look. Y'all, I just love this part. Do you see that? Do you see that back? Baby got back, honey, okay? All right, so we're just gonna brush, comb that through. And y'all, it looks like we are about done. Are you ready for this unwrapping, guys? I don't think so. And voila, look at her. She getting down to business, but she cute already. Chai! Come on, see, babe. Y'all, I know you see that strands of hair at the top. Oh my God, it made me almost like me go insane when I saw it, but I'ma fix it, don't worry. All right, guys, so here is the finished look. And honey, I told you was gonna leave like a baddie. What you mean? Professional wear. I'm the stylist. I could do this, okay? You see that? Sis, look, we don't carry last, honey. I told you that. Just pepe them, small. Just pepe. And here's a look at the backside of these 30 inches of love. Let me tell you, I love the length of this hair. All right, guys, thank you again so much for tuning into my channel. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. It was great seeing you guys, and I can't wait to see the sleigh. Mwah. See you next time. The word of the day reads, "A new command I give you. Love one another as I have loved you. So you must love one another." John 13:34. Today, I challenge you to do something out of love. Show love, give love. However you express your love, do that for someone that you do not know. And watch how God uses you. Also, I just wanted to say thank you so much for 300 plus subscribers, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys are like the coolest. Anyways, I just wanted to let you know that there is some big news coming soon. I will be doing a giveaway, so be on the lookout, and can't wait to see you guys in the next video. See, I didn't wonder, but it's your matter, causing too much wahala. Oh, wait, oh, wow, oh, wait, oh, wow, for this your matter, for this your matter, for this your matter, for this your matter. As I walk up this road, I see you, across my eyes, I come to feel you. Baby, tell me what's up, what's good. Let me take you to a place no one else can do. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Back to the matter, open and close. Bend your knees and touch your toes. Back to the matter, nobody has to know. We can keep it all on the low. Ooh, ooh. I beg you, leave me alone. Say this your matter, causing too much wahala. Me, I didn't wonder. See, I didn't wonder, but this your matter, causing too much wahala. Bend your back and pose. Can't you tell that I can have enough of you? So if I fall for you, won't you have enough of me? Make sure you follow the requirements, follow, subscribe. Can't wait to see ya. Bye. Hey, if you want some, can get some of me. Back to the matter, open and close. Bend your knees and touch your toes. Back to the matter, nobody has to know. We can keep it all on the low. I beg you, leave me alone. Say this your matter, causing too much wahala. Me, I didn't wonder. See, I didn't wonder, but this your matter, causing too much wahala. Oh, wait, oh, wow, oh, wait, oh, wow, for this your matter, for this your matter. For this your matter. You're